This pedal is the beginning and end of fuzz with a very confidently sized footprint. Is it the best fuzz ever? Probably not. Is it the easiest way to upgrade your fuzzy business? It is. It expertly combines low cost with expensive sounding flavors. But you knew that already, because you're smart. And this pedal's famous for a very good reason.
All right! Woo! Yes!
This is a classic pedal. I mean, you can't go wrong with a Big Muff. I remember when I first got my very first Big Muff, it's like a rite of passage. Son, someday you'll have your own Big Muff.
Yeah, can we have like a wiggle, like the wiggle dissolve from
Back whenever I was a young boy.
from Who's the Boss or whatever, just and the harp playing. Back to the days when I was a young man playing a Big Muff. I think everybody can say that at some point, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's why I remember watching an interview with Billy Corgan, and he was touring with Smashing Pumpkins, and they played with the band, and every member of the band that opened for them had Big Muffs, and he talks about with this when they made the OP Big Muff, or the op amp Big Muff, and he's like, everybody had these big things, and like we didn't know what the hell they were, and then he bought himself and every member of Smashing Pumpkins, probably not the drummer, but fuck it, the drummer too, like bought him a Big Muff, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And I love this pedal. It's very inspiring. The first time that I bought one and I had it, I was playing through a Black Star HT60 that had a couple of Strats, and just the sound of the Big Muff through that amp was so inspiring. I love the sound. It's thick. You can sustain forever. It's great for rhythms and leads. It's $85. It's very affordable.
Some say the sustain is still going to this day. From that moment you described the story. Somewhere.
This has been carrying over the entire time.
Yeah.
But The only thing I don't like about the Big Muff is its size. In a world where we're all trying to find, especially for gigging musicians, we're trying to find the smallest pedal board. The Big Muff is just obnoxious. It's great for the studio. I mean, I've reamped vocals through it. I've done all kinds of weird stuff with it. I can't recommend the pedal enough, especially for in a world of fuzzes that you got things like the Muffaletta from JHS or I mean, even like the Behringer fuzz stuff, which is actually really decent for like $20. It's amazing. But for $80 new and probably $40-50 used, it's a lot of fuzz pedal to get. It's a classic sound. It's in Black Keys have used it. You've heard it in so many different records. Gary Clark Jr., I'm sure, has used a Big Muff somewhere. You can get close to that Dan Arbiter fuzz sound. I think it's a great pedal.
$85. You should absolutely get it. I mean, I'm not even a guitar player, and I can see the virtue in getting that exact pedal. I think it's cool because of the big size, but yeah, it's like an acre of pedal board space there.
You're like wheeling in your pedal board, just all Big Muffs.
Yeah,
Got a 2 acreage right here.
Yeah, that'd be nuts. That would look crazy. It would look like the command, I don't know, the command console of a U-boat or something like that.
The pedal looks like a U-boat.
It is a U-boat.
Yeah, it is.
As in, you should get it because it's a boatload of fun.
And that's where we'll end it.
Oh.